Quark just left.
Yeah, I saw. You understand, don't you, pal? I just don't want to do this anymore. I like the way things used to be, back when I was just fixing ships.
Replacing a busted warp capacitor never saved someone's life.
Maybe. But it never took one either. Do what you have to, pal. But I'm staying here.
How interesting. Can someone please tell me the name of this planet?
Planet Veldin, sir. A lifeless, frivolous, dreadful rock devoid of any real value.
Oh, ye of little faithful. Where you see inconsequence, I see opportunity.